Education can no longer stop at textbooks. The world outside school grows faster, thinks broader, rewards adaptability over memorization. That is why at Tutoring we build 360-degree learning, which gives space for every learner to grow academically, creatively, and intelligently. It is the learning that is alive, practical, and ready for tomorrow. 360-degree learning is not a single course, it's a growing ecosystem, a living library of skill-based, future-ready programs designed for your kid to be complete. Through one-to-one personalized sessions, we help learners to grow and build confidence, clarity, communication, creativity, culture, and cognitive strength all at once. And the courses you are seeing today are just the beginning. There are many more are being built, each opening a new dimension of learning. Let's start with the communication, the one skill that reshapes everything. Our spoken English program builds confidence that speaks before words do. Learners learn not only to pronounce but also to present, persuade, and participate. Every session polishes their fluency as well as self-expression. These are the skills, those carry the students from classroom to the careers. Next comes to connection through spoken Hindi. Learners strengthen their bridge of language, clarity, and cultural identity, whereas with Kathak, they discover discipline, grace, rhythm, and confidence that comes from movement and art. These skills remind students the creativity is not just a hobby, it is another form of intelligence. But only expressions, art is not enough alone in this world, which is driven by technology. So to stay future ready, our students must not only use the technology but to understand its mind, how it works. That is where our new dimension of 360-degree learning begins, artificial intelligence. Let's start with AI for everyone, which is a gentle hands-on gateway into the world of artificial intelligence. Here, learners learn how AI works, what its importance. When it is already a part of their daily life, we make them understand what exactly the users, how they can use it wisely and effectively. And AI for everyone is designed for all the age groups, because at Tutoring we believe the future technology-driven world will need AI literate citizens, not just coders. For deeper exploration, we move to AI fundamentals designed for grade 6 to 10. Here the students uncover the science behind the system like data, logic, and algorithms, as well as ethical designs through projects which are linked to their school subject. They not only learn what AI can do it, they also learn how to question it, correct it, and build with it. This is not about just coding, this is about making them to think like a designer of intelligence. This is just the beginning. 360 learning will continue to expand with more languages, more art forms, more future tech human skills. All are designed with single purpose to build learners who are expressive, aware, innovative, and emotionally grounded. We believe education should not only prepare the kids for exams, but they should prepare for life. So from communication to AI, from rhythm to reasoning, we reshape learners to think, feel, and lead with confidence. And that is what 360-degree learning, and it's already happening in Tutoring.